The remarkable health benefits of clove, a daily boost for your well-being. Cloves are a staple in many kitchens around the world, renowned for their aromatic and flavorful qualities. However, beyond their culinary use, cloves are packed with health benefits that have been recognized for thousands of years. From their antimicrobial properties to their potential in managing digestive health, cloves are a small but mighty spice that can make a significant difference in your daily wellness routine. The science behind cloves' benefits. Cloves contain a compound called Eugenol, which is responsible for many of their health benefits. Eugenol constitutes 75–80% of the essential oil found in cloves and is known for its strong aromatic smell and numerous therapeutic properties. 1. Antimicrobial properties. Cloves are potent antimicrobial agents, making them effective against a variety of pathogens. They possess antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiparasitic properties. This makes them beneficial for oral health, as chewing on a clove can help reduce oral pathogens, combat candida overgrowth, and prevent gum infections. 2. Digestive health. Cloves have been traditionally used to aid digestion. They can help alleviate indigestion, reduce gas and bloating, and improve overall gut health. Studies have shown that clove oil can inhibit the growth of H. pylori, a bacterium linked to ulcers and gastritis, thereby supporting a healthier digestive tract. 3. Pain relief. Cloves are well known for their analgesic properties. They have been used as a natural remedy for toothaches due to their numbing effect, which can provide temporary relief from pain and discomfort. This is why clove oil is often included in dental care products. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves make them beneficial for conditions such as arthritis. Eugenol can help reduce inflammation and pain in joints, offering a natural alternative to over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications. 5. Antioxidant. Powerhouse. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and free radical damage. This contributes to overall health and can help in preventing chronic diseases and aging. 6. Mental health. Interestingly, Eugenol acts as a monoamine oxidase (MAO) inhibitor, which can elevate mood by increasing levels of serotonin and dopamine in the brain. This effect makes cloves a potential natural remedy for depression and mood disorders. 7. Anti-cancer potential. Research indicates that clove oil has properties that may help in preventing certain types of cancer, including lung cancer. The antioxidants in Eugenol in cloves can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, the process by which the body naturally eliminates damaged or dysfunctional cells. Safe usage and potential side effects. While cloves and clove oil offer numerous health benefits, it is essential to use them safely. Consuming 1 clove per day is generally considered safe for most people. However, clove oil is potent and should be used in moderation. Excessive use can lead to toxicity and liver damage. It is also important to note that some individuals may be allergic to cloves and they should avoid its use. Pregnant and lactating women should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating cloves into their diet. Historical and cultural significance cloves have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine systems, particularly in India and China. They have a long history of therapeutic use, dating back over 3,000 years. This historical significance underscores their enduring value and effectiveness in promoting health and well-being. Incorporating cloves into your daily routine can offer a multitude of health benefits, from improved oral health and digestion to enhanced mood and reduced inflammation. This small spice packs a powerful punch, providing a natural and effective way to boost your overall health. Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you soon again for more fascinating facts and helpful content.